Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys some surprise happy mail that I've received from my friend Kat. Hi Kat. I don't believe she has a YouTube channel anymore, but if you guys have been watching other crafters for a little while, you guys know Kat is an incredible crafter. So let me jump right in and share with you guys what she sent me. All I've done is cut open the box. I have not peeked inside at all, so this will be a surprise to me just as much as it is to you guys. So I'm really excited. Let's get started. Okay, so I've just taken it out of the box. It's a pretty big piece, so hopefully nothing got cracked or broken in transit, but Kat always uses these patterns, sewing patterns for like tissue paper, and it's so super cute. So, oh yay, it's a box. Oh my gosh, it's already gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's a tissue box. Oh, I found one little thing, but I can always mend that really quickly. Oh my gosh, do you guys see this? This is gorgeous. Of course, I'll have to add it to the cat section of my craft room. And card was stuck on there. So here's the card. It's a unicorn. How cute is this? So she sent this for my birthday. If you guys remember, it was earlier in the month. So let me go ahead and read this really quick. Oh, thank you so much, Kat. Seriously, it was not even late. And just the fact that you created something for me is amazing and so thoughtful. So, she has a box of tissues in here, if you guys can see that. And where did this come off of? It looks like it was a part of, I have to inspect it. Oh, it's from the unicorn right here, but I can totally, oh, it's right here. I can totally fix that, Kat. Not a problem. That's where hot glue gun comes in, and I will go ahead and plug that in right now. There's so much detail, you guys. Do you see this? Hope you guys can see all the beautiful, beautiful work that screams Kat. She uses these, I can't remember what type of flowers these are. I remember them from some of my design teams. But she has a flower cluster right here kind of going diagonally with some leaves poking out, lots of laces, love that, and this beautiful blingy key. So she has a combination of the blue and the pink, two of my favorite colors. And Kat, you're going to have to let me know where this came off of. And I'm thinking it was the unicorn, like right here. Yeah. Mystery solved. But basically all the accents on here are blue because she knows my favorite color is blue. I don't even want to put this in my bathroom because I'm afraid that I will knock it over because I'm known to do things like that and then things will break. So this will be displayed in my craft room. But she has some like velour ribbon, and Kat always makes like the most perfect bows. If you guys have seen any of her other projects, this looks like Anna Griffin paper, and it is so beautiful. I love how she uses buttons. I never think to use buttons this way, but she always threads some sort of twine or thread through the centers. There's some bling. There's just so much to look at. She's even lined the top edge with 2 layers, if not 3, of more trim. She has some acrylic pieces here, tiny little flowers. Oh, it is so gorgeous. Thank you so much, Kat. This was so super sweet of you. And you know I always treasure everything you create me. And here is the front look again. There's some more of the buttons, kind of in a little arc right there. She has some of these like iridescent pink flat back pearls on the front. Gorgeous. She's even lined the inside where the tissues come out. What is this made of? Is this an actual like tissue box? She does have some feet on here, if you guys can see that. So gorgeous. I cannot say enough. And look, even on the sides, she has these tiny little handles. And it looks like she actually like screwed them in. Thank you so much, Kat. This is gorgeous. I could never cluster like this. But I will treasure it, and I am so blessed that you thought of me to create this beautiful piece for me so that I can showcase it in my craft room. I absolutely love it. So I think my glue gun's actually hot enough now. Let's see if I can mend this really quick while I'm on the video with you guys. That one is done. This one's going to be a little bit more tricky. And there we go. And I can put like a little piece of bling, like a tiny piece of bling. I don't know if you guys can even see this. I can put a tiny little piece of bling right on the front to strengthen that. But it is all fixed. And I see the little theme here with the unicorn card and this. But thank you. Kat knows I love my unicorns. So thank you again, Kat, from the bottom of my heart. I love it. Thank you so much for thinking of me and sending me this beautiful birthday happy mail. And hopefully this next year will be a little bit better for you and everyone. I hope you guys are staying healthy and safe. And until next time, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone. I hurt you, Kat. Thank you so much.